Okay guys, now I'm going to show you today how can we make the app, Android app for NodeMCU. Okay, first of all you have to create a new project, application NodeMCU. Okay, next that phone and tablet, the version of your Android mobile. I'm just using a 4.0 C Nougat Lollipop KitKat Jalapen. Okay, I'm using just KitKat over here and don't take anything. Next, just take a basic activity. Next, don't change the activity name, main activity. If you want, then change. Otherwise, there's no need to change. It takes some time for that synchronizing, preparing the files, preparing the graphics of that mobile. So because of that reason it wants some time. That you can look over here where it's processing. You can see this to process running. Okay, wait for this sign. Okay, start. It's done. Running build, running loads. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes, sometimes 5, sometimes 10. Okay, but in my laptop it's taken very long time. Get built. It's done now. As you can see, every process is completed. Now you can see the layout of our code of it's loading. It takes some time. Here you can see this layout. Now in this layout we want two things. First, edit view, and second is the button. Okay, now delete this and make it relative. This is the constant layout. We don't want it. Want this. Actually I don't like this. Relative layout. You can see over here a relative layout. Click on this, enter. Now the whatever can make inside this relative layout, we can change the position and name and everything. Okay, now first thing we need edit view, edit text. Okay, wrap content and content, but over here width must have a parent content, match parent. Okay, match parent. As you can see, this edit text has been built over here. Now next thing we have to build to give id, that is id first option id plus slash id, and give id name, that is I am giving just text, text 1. Okay, small text, small t. Now we can you can see edit text box, you can see over here. Now the next thing we want a button. Button also must width with match parent and height with wrap content. Wrap content. You can see this button at the top of this code. Just constituent button. Okay, just change the name write something, that is text you want to write. If when we want to write something on this button, you have to write some thing inside text, text. And what can you write? That is LED, LED. Okay, that's it. And give ID. ID is click. Click. That's it. Now take another activity for this basic activity, main activity 2. Change the name of this activity. It is second activity. Okay. Finish. Okay. You can see the second activity. And why we take this second activity? Actually, we want this activity after clicking on that LED. After clicking on this button, this LED button, after clicking on this, you have to open this second one, the second activity, this activity having the 4 buttons on LED, LED 1 on, LED 2 off, that type. Okay. Inside this again you have to take relative layout, 4 buttons. This button PUTTON button, match parallel wrap content, again 1 button, wrap content, again 2 buttons, wrap content, button, wrap content. Okay, now we have 4 buttons over here. Now you can't see that 4 buttons over here because that overlap on each other. Now I can see that 4 buttons. Just take 2 to text view. So wrap content, and inside the text view you have to declare text, write a text, that is txt text. Inside that text you have to write LED1. Okay, now another text also, text view, wrap content, text LED2. Okay. LED1 and LED2, make it large by font size, text size. Okay, text size, it must be 200. Let's change large, 20. No, it's too small, 100. Okay, too much large, 50. 50, it's okay, 50 dB. Now the next one, so text size, text size 50 dB. Text color, it will be changed. Text color must be black. Text color. Black. And over here again, text color hash 1 2 3. Now set this everything on a proper location. That LED 1 and LED 2 must be on proper location. It must see like also write on off. Inside that button you have to give a text, that is on. Please text on button, and and size, text size 50 dB. Oh shit, 50 dB. text off, text size text size 50 dB. 50 dB. Okay, now set, give some ID. Sometimes it requires ID L1 another ID L2, ID LED1 on. Okay, another ID LED2 off. Text on, text size text size 50 dB. Now another text off, text size 50 dB. Okay, now this activity we have built. Thank you. In next video I'm going to show you how to connect this two activities and also the further coding for connecting NodeMCU with our app.